Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app. As you know, Facebook Pixel's installation on Shopify is indeed a game changer for e-commerce businesses, empowering them to enhance performance and unlock the potential for their advertising efforts. It is the key to valuable insights and more successful campaigns, ultimately driving increased sales and conversion. So first of all, we have to enable this app from our theme. So enable it and click on save. So our app is activated and the banner is disappeared. Now click on add Facebook pixel. Here we have to fill the information accordingly. So first of all, I will move to my business manager, facebook.business.com, and here in business settings you will see data sources. Down there you will see the datasets. In datasets you will find your pixels and you have to open it in event manager. In event manager you have to move to settings, and here you will find the dataset ID, that is pixel ID and Facebook access code. So paste it over here and write a name for your pixel. Target area you have to select it by your own. I have selected entire store. You can either go with collections or tags. We have to paste the Facebook access token. I will copy it from event manager settings. Scroll down. You will see here is the conversion API that send events directly from your server. So here you will get the option of generate access token. You have to click on it and copy it. Let's paste it over here. So here we will paste test event code later on. So now we have to copy the additional script and click on checkout settings. In checkout you will see order status page. In additional script you have to paste the script. Click on save and that's it. Now click on I have done this and save this. So pixel is created. Now let's move to our online store and open any product. First reload the page and check the extension. You can see in Meta Pixel Helper page view and view content is tracked, and next you can see add to cart is also there. Now let's apply test event code. Use this if you need to test the server side events. Remove it after testing. Click on test events in event manager, copy this. You know that the Facebook test event code allows you to simulate user actions on your website such as page view, purchases or lead generations. This simulation helps you to verify that Facebook pixel is correctly tracking and recording the events. So now let's copy test event code and paste it in the app. Click on save. You can see test event code is applied. Now let's perform any activity in our online store. Let me make a search. Open any product. Let me perform any activity. I have made a dummy purchase, and if I click on extension you can see our extension is also working, and purchase event and each and every event has been tracked over here as well. And if we move to our test events, you can see our purchase, initiate checkout, page view, everything is tracked and data is received over here along with the server side and browser side. So it means it's working properly. And after testing you can clear this activity. Now move to the app and click on edit. just remove this test event code after testing. And if we click on analytics, you will see in our app your all the activities will also be tracked in the analytics as well. So this is how our app works. As you know, the Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app for Shopify is your go-to solution for accurate tracking and enhanced ad campaign. This powerful tool seamlessly integrates with your Shopify stores, ensuring accurate data collection and tracking. It provides the capability to track users' interaction, measure conversions, and optimize your advertising efforts on both Facebook and TikTok. With this app, you can unlock a world of insights about your customers' behavior, making it easier to target your audience effectively. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.